Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make ale in Stardew Valley. First, understand that ale is a fantastic way to boost your farm's income. It's an artisan product, meaning it sells for more than its base ingredients. We'll cover everything from crafting the necessary equipment to choosing the best ingredients for maximum profit. Get ready to turn your farm's produce into liquid gold with this easy method. To begin your ale-making journey, you'll need to craft a keg. Each keg requires 30 wood, 1 copper bar, 1 iron bar, and 1 oak resin. You can get oak resin by attaching a tapper to an oak tree and waiting a few days. Once crafted, place your kegs strategically, perhaps in a shed or cellar, to maximize your production space. Now for the fun part, choosing your ingredients. Wheat ferments into beer in just 1 day, offering a quick profit of 200 gold. For a higher value, hops transform into pale ale over 2 days, selling for 300 gold. Don't forget honey, which becomes mead in about 10 hours. Simply place your chosen item into the keg and let the magic happen. Once the fermentation is complete, simply interact with your kegs to collect your freshly brewed ale. These artisan goods fetch excellent prices, significantly boosting your daily earnings. Use your profits to expand your farm, buy more seeds, or craft even more kegs for a larger operation. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your real-life space as tidy as your virtual farm. Keep brewing and growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.